Look here, I got the dope deuce. Old sun's coming out. Rain, get a frog. Woods is wet, water everywhere. Skeeters, y'all won't believe. I done doped up once. I can do it again. But it's bad. You just as well, cause them something, and you're gonna sweat. And you get a hole there weak enough and let them in, they're gonna get in there. And they're gonna nail your ass. Skeeter. Something you gotta live with. Need wood, lose that. Well, hey, 100% deep, baby. 100% deep, but you must hydrate, remember. Salty cracker. Salty cracker hit the nail on the head, as they say, the proverbial nail on the head. When he said you got to hydrate, ya. From the woods, y'all, we're gonna go measure a tree here in just a second.